think the marketplace, in terms of pricing, it's really interesting to see how strong we are here at present at the moment. We all know what's happening. We're seeing amazing prices being achieved for real estate, as opposed to what has been happening in the US, the USA, when their market dropped. It really hadn't come back at all. But just recently there has been some optimism, and there has been a little bit of a, not an increase maybe, but certainly property is starting to turn over more and more in some of the better parts of America and their capital cities. The consistent message is that there's too many homes that have been built in America. The inventory is too high, which means there's more homes than people who can live in them, and that's been a really big factor in their pricing. And they actually contribute that to be probably the main factor at the moment. They've still got a lot more contracts in terms of building at the moment, which are moving forward for well into next year. So this is going to be around for a while for America. Whereas Australia, we always hear about our lack of supply, and it's true. I mean, we really are well undersupplied in terms of housing, and that is really underpinning, in a large respect, as to the current market at present at the moment. So that is something for all those people out there who, there is some section of the market that say, look, we think it's going to go belly up tomorrow. We think there's going to be another drop. Certainly everyone's entitled to their own opinion, but that'd be the one thing that I would say against that. Whereas if there's not enough housing, it's very, very hard to see that our price is going to drop off. In effect, they could continue to rise quite rapidly.